If you want to link your Steam account to Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can connect both accounts in just a few minutes. This is helpful if you want to keep your gaming accounts organized and make it easier to manage linked services. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the page loads, log in to the Epic Games account you want to connect with Steam. After you're signed in, look to the top right area of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu, choose Account. This will take you to your Epic account settings, where you can manage your personal information and linked accounts. Now that you're in the account settings, look for the Connections section. Click on it, and you'll see different platforms and services that can be linked to your Epic account. Find Steam in the list and click on it. This will begin the connection process between Epic Games and Steam. Next, a Steam sign-in window will appear. Enter your Steam account details and log in. Make sure you're signing in to the correct Steam account, especially if you have more than one. Once Steam verifies your login, you'll see a prompt asking for permission to connect the two accounts. Read the prompt carefully, then click Allow or Authorize to confirm the link. After that, your Steam account should now be connected to Epic Games. You can double-check the Connections page to confirm that Steam appears as linked. If it does, then you're all set. This means your accounts are now connected and ready to use with supported Epic and Steam features. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Steam account to Epic Games. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.